Welcome. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at this Teaonell garden tool bag. So this was provided to me by the distributor, but they're not compensating me for this video and they're not reviewing it before I post it. If you find this video helpful and you want to purchase one of these, I'll put a link to it in the description on Amazon, and if you use that link it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. Let's get this open. So it has some snaps here. I'll open it up. Let me get my camera moved. Here we go. We have a shoulder strap inside. So this has a large area on the inside. Let me measure that. It's kind of hard to measure the inside. I'll measure the outside. The inside might be slightly smaller. Here we have about 13¼ by 7. And then the height in here, it's about 11½. So the material here is a 900D Oxford fabric. So it's green on the outside. It's got the black on the inside. So on the inside here you could put plants you're wanting to carry. And then on the side here it has these pockets for your tools. And it has this elastic up high to help hold on to them. We have pockets on the end and there's pockets on the other side. So there's 8 pockets in total on this. And then it has these snaps here. And you can snap the center closed too if you want to fold it up a little bit. And then we have a carry handle here, and we have the shoulder strap, which is adjustable. So you can hold on to the plastic here, and we can slide this top strap forward and back to get the adjustable length. We have a padded shoulder strap also. So I'm going to load this up with some tools here. Here I have a spade, a garden spade. So I'll put that in here. So you can see it has elastic to help hold on to it. Now this would stand up a little firmer if we had something in the middle. Here we have one of these scratch tools. So I can put that in here. To even it out, I'll go to the other side. Here's a weed popper thing. And we have bypass shears. So then on the end here, we have other pockets. We could put some seeds in there, like so. And there we have our garden tool bag. So on the inside there, besides plants, you could do other things. You could put mulch if you're doing, you're not going to mulch a whole yard with this or a whole landscape, but say you're mulching around some garden beds, you could put mulch in here. You could put some, bags of fertilizer. You could put dirt. You could put other tools. Gloves would be a good option. So there's lots of room in here for lots of tools. I think this would be very useful if your garden is not near where you store your tools. So we have a box we keep our tools in, and it's across the yard from the garden. So this could be loaded up with those tools to carry them across the yard instead of carrying them one by one or trying to load them all in your hand at one time. I like that it has this durable material, so as you're moving these tools in and out, it's not just going to cut holes in it super easy. It's going to be a lot sturdier. So I think this is going to be a great addition to our garden tools. We have 2 gardens right now. We have a pollinator garden and a vegetable garden, and my wife's always going to work on them. I know these tools look really clean, but I just cleaned them for this video, but normally they have dirt stuck to them. So that's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.